కాంపిటీషన్ ఆపరేషన్ టాలెంట్ సర్చ్ ఇస్ డిజైన్. ఎవరెవరు మీరందరూ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు కదమ్మా? డిడ్ యూ లైక్ ఇట్? I want to see your hands. If anybody liked it, I want to see your hands. Exam rasnallu. Okay, very good. Thank you. This program is developed to inculcate the feeling of self-pride and a strong Christian identity among our youth. The focus is on Christian self-esteem and dignity. We should start thinking that we are privileged people and can become a powerful voice in the civil society of our country. With this idea, a questionnaire is designed. Any questions rasaru questionnaire lo? Anybody remember it? Any questions unnayamma questionnaire lo? Gurtuleda? 12 annavallu? 15 annavallu? Very good. 15 questions. Okay. Why we have given this questionnaire is we want to cover the topics from the Bible and our Christian heritage in particular, especially from our country's point of view. So we have designed an attractive booklet, bookmarker designed as 10 commandments of children for parents. The students picked up a commandment of their choice which they wish that their parents should focus, and they wrote a few lines to focus what the parent want to focus. To inculcate self-pride, the student needs to write a few lines about self-esteem and dignity in context with Christian community. Everyone rasaru self-esteem and dignity meeda? Did anybody write? Okay, thank you. Meere rasara? Did you took your help from your parents? Okay, anyway, thank you. Self-esteem. We should now at least start thinking to act and regain our self-esteem and have a voice of discerning Christian in our community. Dignity. In the context of Christian community, rather than seeking help, let us help ourselves to become wealthy and dignified. Every Christian should now realize that God has empowered them with so many blessings. Now it is our turn to contribute for empowering the community. Concerned Sunday school teachers assured that all the children has completed the questionnaire and answered it. The basic idea is to get the family involved. So, I just want to know which commandment and every first commandment every istamaindi. Who focused? Very good. 10th commandment. 10th commandment. Inka 10th commandment. So guess which commandment all the children, most of the children liked. Okay, yes, many children they liked the 10th commandment. 10th commandment gurtunda? Okay, they want their parents to take them to the church without fail in time. Nijanga ishtamai rasara ee 10th commandment? Rasna 10th commandment rasna? Can you please put on your hands? Nijanga, I'm not able to see your hands. Okay. So actually many of the children tried their level best to to please the evaluator. Is it right? Is it right? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So they have made some blunders also. So when the founder of the religious order was asked who led the way to Catholic Reformation, many has marked Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King mark chesara evaraina? Martin Luther mark chesina vallu evaru unnaru? So nobody of you marked Martin Luther King? Okay, because as they didn't go in detail into the question, many has written Martin Luther King, which is given as the first option. But the answer is Martin Luther. Why did they mark it? They didn't go into the context and they didn't read the question correctly. And basically they don't know the answer also. And one more thing, when we asked them to expand GDM, how many of you expanded GDM correctly? but it is Godavari Delta Mission. Is it correct? So, I thank all of you who has given this question, answered the question in all the children. So, we have covered most of the churches with various denominations to participate in this competition. And we are thankful to all the pastors, pastorate committee members who made this happen. We also extend our thanks to all the Sunday school superintendents, Sunday school teachers who took this initiative and coordinated with us. We thank all the parents who has helped their children in answering and educating the Christian heritage in the context given in this set. Thank you one and all. I just want to